Alright, so I'm going to make a video here explaining how to multiply polynomials using the box method. Most of the videos you'll find online will teach you how to multiply using FOIL, but you'll notice in my notes that I use the box method. I like this a lot better. I think it keeps things more organized, so hopefully this video will help you. So if I have a polynomial with 2 terms and then I have a polynomial of 3 terms, I'm going to start out by making a box that is a 2 by 3 box. The polynomial with 2 terms will go on this side, and the polynomial with 3 terms will go on this side. And then what happens inside the box is the multiplication. So x times x squared is x cubed. X times negative 3x is negative 3x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. X squared times 5 is 5x squared. 5 times negative 3x is negative 15x. And 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. So that took care of our multiplication. And now what we're going to do is combine like terms. So looking at the terms I have in this box, there are no other x cubes. That's the only one. So I'm going to use that, and I have x cubed. And then x squared and x squared, those are like terms. Negative 3x squared plus positive 5x squared is a positive 2x squared. So we used both of those. And negative 2x and negative 15x is negative 17x. And then the negative 10 doesn't have any like terms. And so we've now multiplied those polynomials. So I like this better than FOIL. I think it keeps our work a little bit more organized. Now what if we have something where we have 3 terms times 3 terms? Well, then we would make a 3 by 3 box. And you'll notice here that I have this 2x in front as well. And so not only do I have to multiply these, but I also have to multiply that 2x. I suggest multiplying these first, and then at the end distributing that 2x onto our answer. So let's go ahead and do those boxes first. We have a 3 by 3, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And since they're both 3's, it doesn't matter which one goes on top and which one goes on bottom. So I have x squared plus 4x minus 7. And then I have 3x minus x squared plus 1. And now I'm going to go ahead and multiply. 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. X squared times negative x squared is negative x to the 4th. 1 times x squared is x squared. 4x and 3x is 12x squared. 4x and negative x squared is negative 4x cubed. 4x and 1 is 4x. 3x and negative 7 is negative 21x. Negative 7 and negative x squared is 7x squared, and negative 7 and positive 1 is negative 7. And so again, we're looking at combining like terms, and we always want to start with the largest exponent. So notice my largest exponent is x to the 4th power, and there's only one of those. There's no other x to the 4th powers. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out that term since we're using that. And the next one would be x cubed, and I have one here, and I have another one here. So we have negative 4x cubed and positive 3x cubed, so that would be negative 1x cubed. And then we have x squareds, so we have 1, 2, 3. So 12 plus 7 is 19, plus 1 would be 20. So I have plus 20x squared. And we've used all of those now. The next would just be x's, so we have negative 21x and positive 4x, that's negative 17x, and then a negative 7. Now, I put a box around that, and I really shouldn't have, because we still have to multiply this 2x here. So I have 2x times negative x to the 4th minus x to the 3rd, plus 20x squared minus 17x minus 7. And going ahead and distributing that 2x to all of these terms, we have 2x times negative x to the 4th is negative 2x to the 5th, 2x times negative x cubed is negative 2x to the fourth. 2x times 20x squared is 40x cubed. 2x times negative 17x is negative 34x squared. And 2x times negative 7 is negative 14x. And that actually, I'll go ahead and just kind of cross that out for now. This is our answer. So hopefully that video was helpful. As always, if you have questions, let me know.